So, good day everyone. So now, I would like to create my activities, which is activity description is to or task to build a game access generator system for all four small in the game studio. The studio needs to generate different types of game characters, weapons, power-ups, but developers are overwhelmed by missing because scattered everywhere in the code base. So your job is implement multiple creation button to fix and extend the system. So mag-create the game access generator or the small indie game studio, which is implemented the three or the multiple creational patterns, which is napagandari nakakuan, which is explain one the factory button, which is implement factory. It's create different types of game characters like warrior, units, or attributes on game characters. And then the size print is abstract arsenal. Expand the system with all weapons, sword, staff, and power-ups help boost knowledge. Use an abstract factory to group people's power-ups by theme, which is a medieval or a futuristic set. The client should be able to solve them without changing code logic. And then the sprint tree is the ultimate factory. Just choose any two patterns for integrate them into system. Singleton, only build or prototype. So, nadami ready na code base na to, which is explain na to or say process na kung say flow sa code. So as you can see here, alam ko ready na code para i-explain lang na to. Before that, kita pa na to, output niya, explain na to kung ano naman siya. So first, sa sprint 1, nakabutang man rin sa sprint 1 is i-implement ito, i-create different types of characters na warrior units and character. So doon makita ninyo, naka-factory method na siya, no? Ang factory method without knowing kasi siya na which naka-abstract doon siya, kaya ang abstract is a blueprint or cannot be instantiated with the object. Instantiated, no? Ika pwede magbuot ang object na, which is like blueprint na siya, no, bawal ka mag-initiate or instantiate na. So, makita niyo rin mga attributes na ito, which is nakaprotected ng string name, public game character, string name din and this name, or atong current instance as or atong parameters and that. And then, abstraction string attack. So, diri ang mga code business siya sa atong mga game characters, no? And also, public string to string, which is can be accessed with another classes. So literally, ang parameter sa get, which is ato ang get plus ato ang method result is ang get sample name. Then, muna ito ang kuan ang game character na class na warrior, so which is naka-extend sa game character. Kaya so muna ito ang game characters na every like specific o kung sa mga like powers niya, kabutang sa mga pop-ups dito. So, it's like specifically or yung sa specialization niya kinina character, which is extensive character mode. So, yun yung super on address abstract class is like ginaalaw niya itong abstract, ginaalaw nito mag-extend or to override the mga attributes gikan sa game character to another classes, di ba? So, it's yung attack returning with swing sword delay itidami. So, dari makita ninyo na ano yung input na swing sword delay itidam. So, which is if we choose the like warrior is pag create na to kining swing sword delay itidam is mo pop up siya dito sa pag-create nimo, which is you should put name di kining swing sword delay itidam is pop up siya, which is automatic siya mo pop up dito. As well as in the mid spoon, kining tulo is same flow lang siya ba na siya different flow na it depends on user and how we dealing kung sa mga pagkuan pag-execute ang game character ano siya game. Kita nyo natin class factory with private static map. Is private static is like a class itself, not an object. So diba, it is which is nag-base sa classes na wala siya sa nag-base sa object. Kaya ito naka-abstract class po ito. So, this is a blueprint. So, we cannot do like instantiating put something object on siya. Character or units mo. And the static is ano siya na like more based lang siya sa mga game characters na to. Inipag static with registered na sa mga parameters naka-extend sa game character, all of that para mabutang siya mga like characteristic niya o sa may gusto like butang na siya sa kuan is extend ito sa game character kaya naman dito tayo atong mga details about sa atong attributes para mo-function good ang atong mga game character o ano siya like mag-choose kung warrior o saan mga gusto na ako sa warrior batang mo ito ang power sa mga like say it depends on end users na to or users and how we like implementing this character. So pagka-pwede create string name parameters na to type name station to lowercase class. So it is nagkuha lang siya sa ato ang reference kumari siya no through new runtime if wala siya makita na instance which is like mag-define siya as not registered pa which is wala ka-create o like choose niya mo naging gato so you must like registered first ano na siya mga button na rin return plus declared the constructor string plus that new instance name ano siya no which is nagkuha lang siya sa like singleton ano siya may process singleton which is if the instance is equal to null then create new instance so pag create new instance like mo na yung tawag na ito leads in initialization in the singleton process so if makita ito wala ay instance is null so that the case na hindi mo tag instance but not necessarily na like buhatag o na instance which is that is na adag mga nag-kuha ni mag-break ni mag-preserve sa singleton so that's how the important of the singleton process you must know how to implement it so thrown is runtime extension failed to create character kay itong wala mga instance so ano yung create of character o wala kay base diba so hindi pag-style sa bit times different types of mga gap na ginakuha lang niya ang key so dito po sa sprint to abstract factory so naka-abstract class which is same as gapon sa kuha no naka-blueprint ang gapon siya mga attributes na ito current instance so na ito mga game characters so the instance item so diri ang gapon siya ng base which is every sprint naman titulo ka sprint comes to 3 every one sprint is na yun siya ginabase which is gina-extend niya dito para makuha niya ang details sa ato ang mga attributes which is specify or identify o i-verify po niya if kiniba na pag-is na yung mga details something like that diba? So nakita po na this na pag-swing na rin is like automatic siya pag there is a sprint is magbutang ikaw ang mamili kung sa'yo gusto niyo mo I'm so kinidriyo kita niyo ba na po nidriyo abstract class factory which is every game character so you must do put something details healing drawing like ana at diriya po sa kuan sa kita po nato sa sprint to tanato diriya sa nato natay diri health boost di ba nakabutan do health boost diri health boost yun so yung damage healing ana natay mga different kinds of kuan para sa ato mga game characters and then napon tayo medieval set or futuristic set so the applicant should be able to swap them without changing the coding object so or the user is pretty sure it's swap without changing the logic code ano is yan so na-adray potion so long book staff health high plus the blade upang tumbang so namin which is nag-depend yan sa user again kung saan nila pagkuhan but the code is already implemented so the user is must choose kung sa'yo gusto nyo like dito sa ito ang game mga characters na ito. Sa SPN3 naman, which is nagkuhan to singleton builder prototype, which is nagkuhan na sa SPN3 is ini 2 patterns lang kana, but sa ato is ginawa ba na ito ang tulog para mas makuha na ito pinili ay ang process namin sa singleton builder o prototype. So kabalo naman sa singleton, ang principle ng singleton is one instance lang gina siya, which is every bisan pila pa kadagan yung object. It doesn't matter how many objects you created, but the matter is that instance, because the instance is only one case. If you add something, another instance, you just breaking the principles of singleton, so you must create once lang, diba? Ano siya? So plus dimension, so one plus din. At the same time, yung attributes po niya, kung ano again instance, a game manager instance, which is one in nasa singleton object items equals to a new array list for the mga index na for the array list. So factory is equal to divide private numbers, ating constructor na to, which is factories that put components like a method, which is compression under put medieval futuristic and the public build object item, mga object niya di mga na condition if factors contain key to lowercase is standard instance item to lowercase else throw you ano theme siya nakita, so i-throw niya is ano theme. So pag factory get return factors get name, so pag encounter return item size. So yun na rin complex character natin, secondary, private, text builder. So the process of this is like ginino sa complexity ka is character based lang yapon, so list mga item na to new or the new array list, then set game character which is set based lang nato no? Or the code based or the like reference lang nato, so dito yapon sa game character na to no? Plus game character builder and character builder as well as declaring the builder set base as mga parameter lang yan po ito yung item or the ability. Ito mga ability mo, ito mga like specialization sa itong game characters, character prototype mo itong prototype which is yung asa na to okay sa i-clone na to na characters. So makita natin sa output na to yan yung mga sa main method na to, main class na to. Kita niya sa main demo sa spring pan man na vector types, so kana sa spring to mga po niya kasi nakaswitch kasi siya para mas makuha na to asay like baramit lang siya tanaw na nagamit to switch case diri. So pante ginadimo lang na to mas patong switches declaring ko lang itong kuan hindi mas yung pattern synergy. So if we run this, makita natin sa output. So, like nakalipin din na sa user, nakakuha naman sa ito ang code base na doon na pwede ang users mag-boot sa ito. So first, mag-fill out lang na ito sa ito mag-get sa image like one Nana si Nana is ay mali sorry wait lang. So, character type, language. Nana. O, diba? Ewan ko ganina. Pag mag-choose na ka, if I use your choice di, character type or the means warrior culture, aside na is mabutang good kag character nimo para especially like doon na reference o kinsa na ko na. And then like na-explain mo earlier, if we like declaring na sa atang buwan is automatic siya na yung pangutang na details niya, no? Which is sa dark na dealing damage. So makita natin na siya diri sa sprint 1. So nga nung nakabutang to 90 damage, which is amidst na the extreme game character, nakakuan siya amo niya ang input ng cast fireball din. So mo to makita natin sa ato ang output para mas mapa na to, no? And then kaduha, Crystal Warrior. So that's Zilong. So Zilong sumindi ng 80 damage. So para mas mapa na to, i-explore lang. So, Warrior, small na input niya is diri lang siya ng kuang din ng mga references para makakuha ito sa output na. So, itinamis so tinoon. Dito na sa ito ang input na kung ito magawa sa output. And the last is Archer. Archer. Hindi mo natin si Mia. So, si Mia is an action na diling namin means para makakuha mo na ito o isang game character. So, alam mo ba ito siya pa itong pag once ay mag-create ng game character ito, which is naka-extend sa game character is automatic. Pag butan nito siya is automatic siya mag-execute dito. Pag butan nila yung input na it depends on ato ang butang na characters. This is to naman, diba, sa medieval na mountain choices nito. Saan ito? Medieval set, futuristic set, diba? So, sa medieval, available sword, like, magandalin to mana. So, use mo na po siya healing. So, to create a futuristic thing, mana. Sword.
Hindi na ako kalipay.
Like sword. So, mga to, no? Sa medieval team o sa futuristic team is which is ginaalaw sa mga diyan na nato sa user if asa na to ibutang ang mga like game characteristic or the details of our characters. Which is we have just naman na medieval team or the futuristic team. So, so yung swing plus mag-build for damage. And then sa sprint 3 naman, which is the advanced patterns, singleton test and same instance throw. So, which is process na to singleton is throw kay tungod. And the process is always matter in ito sa only single instance naman. And then sa builder naman, pattern is a complex character name, which is i-character naman ito si Mia. So, this style na to, si Mia is a archer character. So, more na sa build complex Mia. So, with 2 items abilities with teleportation time stop. So, nakita na ito sa kuan, asa na dapat this type complex character. Same doors, single to iba sa git factory o diri sa git base yung mga abilities diri siya para makuha na to items to strain complex item size and na siya. So prototype o kinsa itong i-clone. So name po na clone character. I-clone na to si clone character clone kuan si Zilong. Si Zilong na itong i-clone. So, si Zilong is a warrior. So, clone attack Zilong swing sword dealing 80 damage. So, total items created. So, 5. So, mano siya na which is kining i-clone nato si Zilong. So, is dealing 80 damage which is i-clone na nato siya. No? And also, kitong synergy is fully implemented siya sa ato ang money balance. So, total items is created with 5. So, na-meet na to awan sa mga requirements o dapat i-implement within creating this is the small indie game studio, which is to generate different types of game characters, which is na common na to execute na to with giving or making weapons and power ups, but developers are overly busy. So also is a missing code scattered everywhere the code is. Also we explain naman how the code base flows or how be executed, and also it matters in our users in how they give the details or the characterize of characters. So that's all.